Look at this. Isn't it looking pretty? This is like different colors. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Finding Happiness in Small Things. My name is Ashok. You are watching me on Finding Happiness in Small Things YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I am doing good as well. These are pink color. So time to transfer two of my plants onto the land. So today I'm hoping that there will be rain and rain will help them to get transferred. So let me show you. Okay, let's go. Okay, one task is done. I will water it a little bit. We are supposed to get rain today. Okay, this thing is done. And now, time to grow this one. So, I know a place where this will grow. It's going to grow at least like 25 or 30 feet. So this will be good place. This is my fence neighbor, and that's the place where I can look at all the flowers. So flowers will come and I can enjoy. So guys, in growing vegetables, planting trees, it's all patience. You need to have a lot of patience. Okay, this much hole is good. Without disturbing the roots. Okay, this is finally transferred. It was growing in the pot for almost 8 to 10 months. This is something I had planted almost 20 seeds and only one came. Can you believe it? I had luck. So later I am going to mulch it. Little bit water stopping area. Okay, little bit of fertilizer. It's like topsoil, means nutrient in the soil. Okay, so now you may be asking what kind of plant is that? This is something that flower that grows in Uttarakhand, India, or maybe Himachal. They say it in Hindi branch, red color flowers, big red color flowers. And you make a syrup out of that as well, Ayurvedic syrup. It's quite edible and it's very healthy. So I looked at one of the video, Buranch is really good, and I looked at Amazon and I ordered the seeds. So one I got. Let's see how it grows. And I hope no wildlife is going to come and eat it. So let's see what happens. So 2 of the things are done for today. Yes, I have this goji berry. So I do get some goji berry out of this. So it was growing quite wild, like going everywhere. So I had to trim it a little bit. So I'm done for today. It's getting dark. Make sure the wire is behind me. Friends, I'm done with 3 areas, 3 patches, which are like 6 feet by 3 feet each. So the tilling is done. Now I have to label it and cover it with weed stopper fabric, I'm going to show you next. So what tools I'm using and how it looks before labeling it, I'm going to show you. So which tool I'm going to use for labeling it? So this is one of the tools that I'm going to use, and then I have other tools that I may not be using. So let me show you the other tools that I have. This is a leaf collector. This is like a weed trimmer. You can cut weeds through roots. And this is like a regular tool, and this one. So I'm not going to use these. Let me use that labeler and show you how I'm going to do it. So I have similar to these patches, around 3 or 4 more patches. I'm going to do that, but first let's cover it up with the weed stopper. I'm sweating here because it's a little humid, but it's not too hot. Temperature must be around like 20 degrees Celsius. So because I'm working here, I'm sweating, and sweating is a good thing for you. It takes out the toxin from your body. So let me bring the fabric and show you. Let me show you the garlic that I'm going to grow. It's getting ready. So I have put these garlic bags into some water. It's lying in there for like 3 days now. So it's starting to root and it's sprouting from here. So I will take each piece and put it into the ground. So this is garlic. Let me show you the other seeds that I bought. and I'm going to plant them as well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos with others and hit on like button. This will give me encouragement to do more videos and show you around my place more and more. So the seeds that I got from the store, these are certain seeds. This is marigold, and I got some cucumber, and I got hot pepper, Thai hybrid hot pepper, and then some cilantro and okra. So this is my plan. Besides that, I have a lot of tomatoes growing inside and bell pepper growing inside. I'm going to take the little plants out and plant them. So I'll see what else I can grow. I already started growing turmeric, so turmeric is on the way. I will see if some areas left, then I will plant more. You see them? They're almost ready to pick. So I see some birds or squirrels, they're taking them